What's up guys, hope you are doing fantastic. Today in this video I'll show you how to fit a 140 section tire in R15 version 1. I will be retaining the same original swing arm and rear alloy. As you know, R15 version 1 पतले टायर के साथ आता था and version 2, version 3 140 section चौड़ा टायर के साथ आता है. So we will be fitting this 140 section fatter tire today on the same original swing arm and rear alloy. So the tire has been fitted on the rear alloy, and there you can see that's the 140 section fatter tire on the original rear alloy of Yamaha R15 version 1. So we are inflating it with nitrogen. There we have the swing arm. This swing arm originally had a 100 section tire, but today we are fitting this 140 section fatter tire on the swing arm. So I hope we can fit this on the swing arm. So there you can see the tire fitting has been done on the swing arm. We had some problem fitting the chain, but with some muscle we could pull the chain and fit it over the sprocket. So now there the 140 section tire has been fitted successfully. Let me show you. There you can see about 2 to 3 mm of gap is there with the swing arm. This gap is enough. So finally we'll fit the disc brake and the tire fitting will be done. So there finally the 140 section tire is fitted on the swing arm. This is a jktyre Blaze Rydr BR41 model. So there you can see the tire has been fitted successfully. If you like, you can use Metzeler tires. They are excellent for track use and performance oriented, but Metzeler tires बहुत costly है. So there you can see the tire has been fitted successfully on the rear swing arm of R15 version 1. I am very satisfied fitting this tire on the R15. I had this bike for about 10 years. So we will be also changing the front tires. I'll be using 90 R17 section tires for the front. So finally that's the jktyre Blaze 140 section. There you can see 140/70 R17 tire fitted here. Let me again show you the clearance. So there you can see about 2 to 3 mm of clearance is there from the swing arm, and there will be no problem riding the bike. Let me show you the front tire also. In the front also I have chosen jktyre. So the section is 90 R17. So that's the front tire. If you browse on Amazon, you can see there are many 140 section tires available. There are Ceat, MRF, Apollo Alpha tires. jktyre Blaze BR43 is also available. This tire looks stunning. It looks so nice. I have purchased JK tires only because of their good warranty policy. You can also purchase MRF Zapper tires. These are very good tires. There is also Ceat tires available. Almost all the tires cost similar. You can buy Michelin Pilot Sport 140 section tires. If you want performance oriented tires, Pirelli, Diablo, Rosso tires are there, and also Metzeler sportec tires are there. However, these tires are very costly. So we have the Yamaha R15 with 140 section rear tire and 90 section front tire. If you have liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see ya. Bye bye.